Hello, Red Room friends. Today I'm going to read to you a book about another quirkle. This book is about Botanist Bert. Remember last week we read a book about Vinny Volcano and he was in the shape of a V? Well, this week Botanist Bert is in the shape of a B. And so I am going to read this to you. And I just want you to remember that he's a quirkle and he lives on the planet Quarksville with all his friends. Botanist Bert is the brainiest of all the quirkles. He loves to learn about botany, the study of plants. He likes to eat all kinds of berries, especially blackberries, that he picks from a favorite bush in his backyard. He also loves flowers. Bert believes that the begonia is the most beautiful flowering plant he has ever seen. One blissful day in the spring, Botanist Bert saw Benny Bear biking to BB Bakery to pick up some brown bread and blueberry bagels. As Benny Bear crossed the bridge on his blue bike, he saw a baffling sight. It looked like a bizarre green basketball. Benny Bear put the ball in his bag to show his friend Buddy Beaver. Buddy Beaver was bewildered. "You have made a bad boo-boo, Benny Bear. This is not a basketball. This odd object is a green balloon," said Buddy. I wonder what that is. Benny Bear bellowed, "It is a green ball. You are a bumbling beaver. I'm going to find Botanist Bert. He will tell you that this is a basketball, not a balloon." And it's Botanist Bert. I accidentally said Brett. Benny Bear biked briskly to find Botanist Bert, who was working in his begonias in the botanical garden. Benny Bear showed Bert the strange green objects, and Botanist Bert was not at all baffled because he was very brainy. And that means smart. Botanist Bert told Benny Bear that the green object was a type of plant called broccoli. People eat the flower buds of the broccoli plant. At other times, the roots of the plant are eaten like carrots and potatoes. Sometimes people also eat leaves of plants like cabbage and spinach. But Botanist Bert explained to Benny Bear, even though we eat different parts of plants, all must have air, light, water, and soil to live. Benny Bear biked back to find Buddy Beaver to tell him about the broccoli plant. He felt bad about bellowing at his friend. They became best buddies again, and they planted broccoli seeds in a beautiful garden so they could share the bizarre-looking plant with everyone in Quarksville. The end. Wait, we're not done. Turn the page and follow me. There's still much more for you to see. Okay, I'm going to do this little experiment that they have us doing in the back of this book. But it says I need 3 white flowers. Well, I have 3 white flowers here. I need water, and I have some water, and I need food coloring. I prepared these 2 glasses beforehand, but I wanted to show you what I did. I put blue food coloring in here. Actually, it looks purple, and some red food coloring in here. And now I'm going to put some drops of green food coloring. There we go. And I'm going to, then it says, put drops of food coloring to each glass of water. Put a flower in each glass and let them stand overnight. So I'm going to put this flower in here. We're going to let it stay overnight, and the white flower will turn the color of the water it was standing in overnight, because plants need to drink water to live, and the colored water is pulled up through the stems and into the petals. So, do you think these petals will turn maybe green, and these might turn red, and these might turn purple? We'll have to wait and see. Bye-bye.